In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a bookmark or how you can bookmark websites on your Chrome browser. Now, if you come here, you find we have so many tools, but they are not appearing on Bookmark. When you bookmark anything, it usually appears here. And currently we have none, and therefore I'll show you how we can bookmark websites. For instance, let's go to YouTube, and I want to add YouTube on Bookmark. And as you can see, YouTube is not bookmarked. For you to add YouTube on your bookmark, just simply go and click on this star button at the far right top corner of your screen and just click on it. From here, click on done. And now if we go to our tabs, we can see YouTube has been added. Go ahead and add as many websites or pages as you wish using the same method, and they will all appear here. As you can see here, these are all the websites that I have bookmarked. So that's how we bookmark any website in Chrome browser. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel and also like this video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.